Imagine waking up every day, thinking you're fine. You slept 5 hours, you pushed through, coffee helps, right? But what if I told you those 5 hours are quietly destroying your brain, your body, and your future? What if it's not just lack of sleep, but a silent health crisis? Hey there, welcome back to Wellness Mentor. Today, we're diving into something millions ignore, and many regret when it's too late. Also, if you're someone who truly wants to take control of your health, don't forget to check out our free ebook on personalized nutrition, linked in the description. It's changing lives. Now, let's talk about sleep. Hours of sleep might feel enough, especially if you're young, busy, or ambitious. You tell yourself, I'm built different, I don't need 8 hours. But here's the truth. Science says even missing 1 to 2 hours per night starts impairing your memory, decision-making, and immune system immediately. Your body begins to age faster, stress hormones rise, and emotional control drops. And it all adds up, slowly, silently. What really happens inside your brain? Deep sleep isn't rest, it's repair. In those final 2 to 3 hours you skip, your brain clears out toxins, resets mood chemicals, and strengthens memory pathways. Without it, you become more forgetful, anxious, and emotionally unstable. But it happens so gradually you don't notice until it's too late. Some studies even show that chronic short sleep mimics brain damage. Scary, right? The long-term cost. Here's what 5 hours of sleep can really lead to. Increased risk of heart disease, 50% higher chance of obesity and diabetes, more than double the risk of depression, and get this, your risk of dying young skyrockets. Think you're beating the system? The truth is, the system's breaking you from the inside out. What you can do today. Now, this isn't about fear, it's about awareness. If you've been sleeping 5 hours, don't panic, but do take action. Here's how to start improving tonight. Set a fixed wind-down time. No screens, just calm. Keep your bedroom cold, dark, and quiet. Eat light at night. Heavy meals delay deep sleep. Try natural magnesium or herbal teas like chamomile. Say no to caffeine after 2 p.m. Even if you add just 30 minutes tonight, your brain will thank you. Sleep isn't weakness. It's your superpower. Every hour you invest in it adds clarity, energy, and years to your life. Don't wait for burnout, breakdown, or illness to wake you up. Take control while you still can. If this resonated with you, there's more waiting for you. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone you care about, because we all deserve better sleep, better health, and a better life.